Want a good 3D printer that is not expensive? Here are 5 great 3D printers under $200. They are fast, print well, and are easy to use. Whether you are new or have some experience, these printers are good for many types of projects. Let's see them. Number 5. The Malyan M3 3D printer is a user-friendly FDM printer designed for beginners. Featuring a compact size of 8.66 by 11.2 by 13.98 inches and a printing capacity of 150 by 150 by 150 millimeters, it is fully assembled out of the box, making it easy to start printing immediately with the included sample PLA filament and a micro SD card containing model files. The printer supports various file formats, including STL, OBJ, and G-code, and is compatible with most 1.75 mm 3D filaments. Due to its heated build plate and adjustable extruder temperatures, it is factory calibrated for convenience. It includes a removable magnetic build plate that offers strong adhesion and simplifies model removal. Built with an all-metal frame for enhanced stability and durability, the Malyan printer also features a heat break designed for efficient heat dissipation. Additionally, it comes with lifetime technical support, ensuring users have access to assistance for any potential issues. Number 4. The Malyan M200 Mini 3D printer is a fully assembled, user-friendly device that includes essential components such as a sample PLA filament and a preloaded micro SD card with printable 3D models, offering users everything needed to start printing immediately. Designed to accommodate a variety of 1.75 mm filament types, it allows for the creation of colorful and diverse prints. With a print size of 120 by 120 by 120 mm, this compact printer is suitable for small to medium objects and supports operation via USB connection or micro SD card, utilizing compatible slicing software like Cura or Rapidier. Its compact desktop design features an open frame for easy monitoring and access, along with a stable metal base inside filament holder for convenience. The all-metal hot end ensures reliable performance and durability at high temperatures, while the heated build plate promotes adhesion and minimizes warping. The Malyan M200 is an excellent choice for both beginners and seasoned users. Number 3. The Artillery Sidewinder X3 Plus 3D printer is a robust machine designed for both beginners and experienced users. Featuring a spacious build volume of 11.8 by 11.8 by 15.7 inches, 300 by 300 by 400 millimeters, it accommodates diverse printing projects. Crafted from durable ABS and metal materials, the printer weighs 36.5 pounds and is compatible with various devices, including laptops, personal computers, and smartphones. It boasts a high-temperature nozzle capable of reaching 300 degrees Celsius, allowing the use of various filaments such as PLA, TPU, PETG, ABS, and nylon. The printer's construction is reinforced with metal diagonal tie rods that establish a stable triangular structure, significantly reducing vibrations for stable printing quality. Its dual-gear direct drive extruder enhances extrusion efficiency and provides a smooth model surface. Features like 49-point automatic bed leveling and auto-cleaning of the nozzle make it exceptionally beginner-friendly and easy to operate. Overall, the Artillery Sidewinder X3 Plus is a powerful and user-centric 3D printing solution, perfect for a wide range of applications. Number 2. Tina 2 Mini 3D printer. The Tina 2 Mini is a 3D printer made by Wido in China. It is compact, measuring 8.3 inches by 8.3 inches by 11.5 inches, and weighs about 9.2 pounds. This printer has a customer rating of 4.2 out of 5 stars, based on 435 reviews, showing that many users are satisfied with its performance. It is also popular, ranking number 72 in the 3D printer category and number 44,631 in the broader industrial and scientific category. The Tina 2 Mini was first released for sale on August 12, 2014. It is a reliable choice for those looking for a small and well-rated 3D printer. Number 1. Creality Ender 3v3 3D printer. The Creality Ender 3v3 is a modern 3D printer known for its fast printing speed and reliable performance. It uses a special Core XZ motion system that lets it print very quickly, up to 600 mm per second, which is 12 times faster than older i3 style printers. This printer has an improved direct drive extruder that grips different types of filaments well, including strong materials like ABS and PETG. It comes with a 60-watt ceramic heater and a durable tri-metal unicorn nozzle made from steel, copper, and titanium alloy. This combination helps manage heat better and lasts longer. Its precise Z-axis uses linear rods and timing belts to reduce common printing problems like Z-banding, ensuring smooth and accurate prints. The printer also has a CR Touch auto-leveling system and a strain sensor, which makes setup easy and guarantee the first layer sticks perfectly. With a compact size of 10 inches long, 4.98 inches wide, and 10 inches high, the Ender 3 V3 is user-friendly and even works with smartphones. It's a great choice for both beginners and experienced 3D printing enthusiasts.